60% difference than buying in retail. So they are buying medicines here in bulk to 50% discount. Metformin is the medicine that usually diabetes people take. The Cetaphil medicine, Cetaphil face cleansers and what. So baby diapers that he was telling me were on branded blood pressure monitor. He's actually selling like a skull. I've just come to Dawa Bazaar now and it's raining like anything you can see around me. I am currently with my bag ahead. There is a lot of camera gear in this, so I can't risk making it wet. But this is the hub of medicines here in Mumbai, and we are going to be going to a couple of shops now to check the prices, and you will be shocked to see the difference. So we are currently just walking through. I'll put a location of this place in the description. So we are going to basically compare the prices of 4 most well-known medicines in Mumbai or in India. We are going to be checking the prices for Pandi, which is an anti-acid. We are going to be checking the prices for Dolo 650, which is like a fever thing. We are also going to be checking price of Combiflam, and we are going to be checking prices of vitamin B12. These are the 4 things that I've shortlisted here. I will be telling you the MRP as well. So now let's check out how much lower than the MRP are these guys supplying here. These are all the wholesale shops around me. This is a shop which is selling like nebulizers and everything. Let's go and find out. So these are all, I think, surgical supplies, not really medicines. So Dawa Bazaar has both surgical supplies as well as medicine supplies. Completely smelling of medicines in this area. और पैंडी 20 का 100 रुपए का MRP में 20% और डोलो 650 नहीं है माल नहीं. Okay, so he does not have it's roughly 20% till now. Now let's check a couple of other shops. You can see these are the shops. So they are buying medicines here in bulk because there is up to 50% discount. I specifically don't really know the names of the medicines that much, but these 4 let's try to find out. Unbranded है, generic है, but formulation same ही है. कितने का है वो? 650 का बॉक्स, और एक बॉक्स में कितना ये रहता है? 20 स्ट्रिप, और एक स्ट्रिप में 10. ओके, और डोलो नहीं है. कॉम्बीफ्लैम भी नहीं. आपके पास अब जेनरिक रखते हो आप? ओके फाइन. सो ही इज़ अ जेनरिक शॉप. He told us that there is a shop in front where you might get these branded ones. As you know, Pandi is an anti-acid which is branded. All of these shops that you can see in front of me, these are all medicine shops. Okay, so now we are going to go to the shop. This is the shop, like this is the shop where I buy my medicine from. Now let's check the prices here and we'll come to know. He has the Pandi. So the entire thing that you see in front of me, this place is Dawa Bazaar basically. And there are certain shops which only sell wholesale, and there are certain who sell retail. This is one of the shops that sells retail, and there is a huge difference. I think I'll just show you. There should be at least a 50 to 60% difference than buying in retail. So I've written down the 4 medicines that we are searching for. You can see Pandi, which is the antacid, Dolo or Combiflam, which is like a combination of fever and painkiller. Then there is B12 and amino acids, and there is metformin. So metformin is the medicine that usually diabetes people take for the sake of bringing their sugar level down. It's a medicine that is taken on a daily basis multiple times by a lot of people around India. Let's try to see how much difference is the cost of these medicines in Dawa Bazaar compared to what the MRPs are. So you can see these are the metformin tablets, Gluconorm. If you can see here the MRP, I'll just state it for you, is 360 rupees. And then I've asked him to give me the Pandi as well as the B12 that we usually take. So this is the B12 that we usually take. So this is for approximately 185 rupees. This is 10 tablets if I'm not wrong. Yeah, these are 10 capsules. तो अभी कितना कम है इस पे? दोनों पे, मतलब ये MRP पे, तो ये 185 है, तो इसका कितना हो जाएगा?
ये ब्रांडेड में आता है, ये जनरिक ग्रुप में है.
नहीं वो ठीक है, बट इस पे हाँ
100 रुपीज़ में 1 पीस.
तो 100 rupees for 10 tablets. So which is nearly 85 rupees discounted from the original price. And this is 360 rupees. This is a branded metformin diabetes type 2 type 1 diabetes medicine. और ये कितना कम हो जाएगा? 359 है ये. So this is the shop with the entire in front of Dawa Bazaar. 280 rupees. So nearly a difference of 100 rupees, give or take. And these are officially medicines which are coming from a brand. And Pandy का एक कितने का आता है normally और discount में कितना है? So let's write it down. We have metformin, which is 359. So these are the prices that he just told me. Just see the shocking comparison. So he has removed all the medicines here so that you can see it. I just showed you, this is the vitamin, this is the metformin, and the Pandy is there down here. And then he also showed me Dolo as well. So just see the comparison. The Pandy here, basically you get it for 262 rupees right there, written there. The MRP is 262 and you get it for 200 rupees. So that's nearly a 60 rupee discount there. Then you have a Dolo for, now you have a Dolo here for, you can see that it comes for 15 tablets. The MRP is 32 rupees and you get it for 25 rupees. The B12 is straight away 80 rupees cheaper and the metformin is nearly 100 rupees cheaper. So you can see there is a huge difference. I think a difference of 50 to 60%. And there are much more medicines that are available here in Dawa Bazaar which come at a much more reasonable price. This is just one shop. Every other shop here has a huge level of crowd outside it. So we could not really go and shoot there. But you can just imagine, if you want to buy medicines on a monthly basis, one trip here, coming here will save you thousands of rupees. Only thing is that you come here, make sure you have the prescription with you. Now, don't come like me unprepared with this sheet of paper. If you have a prescription, they will give you prescription drugs as well. So just see the prices here. There are nearly a difference of 50 to 60%. That's a huge amount of difference. The name, Medicine Pharmacy, and that's this guy's phone number as well. So you can see that even he has Cetaphil Cetaphil face cleansers and oil cleansers and everything, and he's saying that this gets a reduction of 20%. So if you want to buy like 22% on them. So if you want to buy your cosmetic products and everything, the cleansers and everything, especially the Cetaphil, you can come here and get 22% off. And these are all genuine suppliers in this area. You can see his shop goes till right there in the end. So we are going to be taking some fish oil tablets now. So this is 7 C's. So ये कितने का है? 398. ठीक है, ये दे दो. So we are buying this 7 C's, which is the omega-3 oil. It's better, like it's recommended for you to have this at least 2 tablets a day. कार्ड नहीं लेते हैं? Just talking to him right now, and he's telling me that the range of discounts that they have goes from 22% to approximately 80%. You can see it's written there. You can even order on WhatsApp if you are in Mumbai. You can see that the ranges go from 22 to 80%. So 22 is standard on every medicine, and 80 I think depends on the type of generic medicines that you take. You can scan here to order, and you can even make them home deliver it, and they will deliver it at a कुछ minimum order है क्या?
दादर तक तो मिनिमम
500-600 तक चले जाते हैं.
आगे जो भी रहता है ना
कोरियर से होता है. हाँ, so दादर तक 500-600 तक they send it. And if you want to, like, for example, all India or somewhere, then जो भी whatever the courier charges are there, you have to pay them. You can send your courier directly here and they will package up everything and make sure it reaches your home. Even if you take the courier charges into consideration, there is still a very huge amount of savings that you do when you buy medicines from such places, especially here in Dawa Bazaar. And across all of these shops here that you can see around me, you will find shops which are selling surgical goods. Then you will find a shop which is selling nebulizers and generic medicines, children medicine, old people. All of these different shops are specialized in different things. I was only able to cover this one because he was a little bit available. Or else you can come to Dawa Bazaar and go to any of these shops and you'll get the same amount of discounts. Now let's get out of here. It's raining too much and let's go and eat something. Come. So this is the shops that I was talking about. You can see that this shop here, like Honeybell Pharma, is very well known to sell like children's medicines and all. So you can see they are selling this milk powder or baby powder. So people come and buy baby powder from here a lot. And you can see that Protein X and everything. So यहाँ पे तो I think every time you come here, you'll find crowd. And then this lane in front. So basically, let me tell you where I am. This road here goes to Crawford Market. And this entire road here is basically Dawa Bazaar. If you go straight from here, you will come near St. Xavier's College. And this is basically where the buses come and everything. And then let me just go to this diaper shop and see whether they have discounts. So because I'm not like a father or something, I can't really go and ask diaper prices, but my mom is going to ask diaper prices. Let's see how much is it. MRP से कितना कम है? 900 रुपये है, तो nearly 50% का फ़र्क पड़ जाता है. 40-45% में, huh? Okay, so this is a shop that is selling complete, I think like items related to like diapers and stuff like that. And like that's what, yeah, wet wipes. These are wet wipes. Yeah, Mimi wet wipes. So they sell basically diapers and everything. And you heard what he said. The MRP for these things are 900 bucks, and they give it to you for 450, 500 rupees, which is like madness level of discount. Just see the amount of stock he has. My God. So baby diapers that he was telling me were for 550, and the MRP is for 900 bucks. What? Are you joking? So this is like a surgical supply shop. You can see Born Again, and he's selling like, you know, funnels, and you can see gloves and everything that are taken for, you know, for surgical items as well as hospital use. So all of these shops here, you can see even this one, they are all meant for medical supplies. Let me just try to see if I can go into one more shop and show you one last shop. See, so now this shop is again selling diapers and everything. It's a very hidden kind of a market. Not a lot of people in Mumbai know about this. I'm trying to cover it so that I can spread some information, you know, that I was just showing you. They have stuff which is like, you know, blood pressure monitors and everything available for nearly, I think 1500 is the MRP that he was saying for a Omron branded blood pressure monitor, and he was selling it for 900-800 rupees, which is nearly like a 50-60% discount. I mean, if you ask me, that's a very good deal. So all of these shops here, they are all selling dawa wale items. Okay, so I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed. He's actually selling a animatronic. He's actually selling like a skull, and he's selling it for 1500 rupees. It's usually, I mean, obviously there is no use for us to buy that skull, but I mean, it's used in doctor's office to basically explain things to patients and everything. But like he's selling like that proper skull for, I think 1500 rupees. I was like really shocked to see this. There it is. There is a skull right there. Very nice. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you had a nice time, or I hope you got some knowledge from this. I tried to cover a very undercovered or underrepresented market here in Mumbai. And if you like the content, make sure to like, share and subscribe. And I will meet you in the next one. So make sure to see the video. Till the end. It takes a lot of effort for me to make these videos. So like, share and subscribe. Comment down below if you want to see something new or see something different. I will surely go there. So let's check out the prices of these medicines here in Bhatia Medical. I was just outside here, the local Bhatia Medical here. You can see in front of me. This is Bhatia Medical shop. And he's giving the Pandy for, so the MRP is 238, he's giving for 215. The Dolo is for 35, he's giving it for 30 rupees. Metformin is for 232, he's giving it for 210. And then you have the B12 vitamin, which is for 180, and he's giving it for basically 166. So this is the prices at the local chemist here where I am right now.